Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will also talk about types of inheritance. In previous video we also talk about types of inheritance and we discuss these three types of inheritance: single, multiple and multi-level. In this video we will talk about hierarchical inheritance. Take a look here. We have one class G and it has two child, class B and class A, and after that class B has two child, class A and class C. In this one class E has also two childs, class D and class F. This concept in this types is called class what? Hierarchical inheritance. That we have one parent here, two parent as well here, but it's the child of G class. But here F and D is derived from E class. Now let's do it practically. You will get the concept right. Okay, for example, here I have class by the name of A. Firstly, I want to include structure. I mean, I want to include these classes. For example, I want to use this as parent. For example, parent. Simple. I want to use correct names. For example, this is parent. After that, this class is child 1. For example, child underscore 1. Simple. This is child underscore 1, and after that we have class by the name of child underscore 2. Take a look. We have 2. Simple. We have parent class, we have child 1, child 2. Take a look here. We have parent class, child 1, child 2. After that, child 1 have 2 child class, 2 or 1 doesn't matter, right? And this one as well. Take a look here. For example, this child 1 has one child. For example, classic range underscore child underscore 1. For example, underscore 1. Take a look. I want to use correct names and I want to use semicolon as well here. And after that, I have class range underscore child underscore 2. For example, this one. Take a look here. For example, this one. Now this parent class, this child 1 is derived from what class? From public. Here, take a look. From public A class, nursery A class, parent class. Now take a look. This child 1 is derived from this parent class, and this child 2 is also derived from public parent class. Simple. And now this, sorry, I don't want this one. This green child 1 is derived from which class? From child underscore 1 class. Simply. This one is derived from which? Public. I want to use here public. This child 1, green child 1, is derived from this child 1, and this child 1 is derived from parent. Simple. And also green child 2 is derived from public child underscore 2. Now public. Okay, this green child 2 is derived from child 2, and child 2 is derived from parent. This is the whole structure in the whole concept, in the whole blueprint of what? Hierarchical inheritance. Now I want to come in this one for you guys, this one and as well this one. Now let's get started from here. For example, I have parent class. In parent class, for example, I have public portion. After that, I have, for example, a variable by the name of int x, simple variable. In here, I have 10. And after that, I have function by the name of void show, or method. I want to use method 1. Method 1. After that, simply cout me what? Method 1. And after that, method 1. And after that, x. What is the value of x? Method 1 from parent. I want to use from parent class, or you can have parent, right? Method 1 from parent. Now if I want to access this method 1, I can simply use here parent object. We know better that I can access. For example, I want to use from you guys parent obj, for example obj1. After that, if I use obj1 dot what? Method 1, simply I can access. No problem. Now take a look. we got method 1 from parent, and after that 10 we got the output. It means we can access. Now if I want to access in child 1, can I access? Yes, absolutely, because child 1 is the parent. I mean the child 1 is the child of this parent class. Now take a look. For example, I have public function. In here I have void what? Calling one function. I mean calling one. And after that simply I want to call what function? Method 1. Can I access? Simply I can access. Now if I want to create what? Child underscore 1 object. To look, child 1 object. After that obj1 dot method 1. Now from child 1 I want to access this method 1. Simply you can access, and also you can use what? Calling method as well, calling 1. Take a look. From child 1 object I access my calling, and calling will access child 1. This one, method 1. Take a look. If I want to run the program, see the result. Wow, method 1 from parent class and 10. Now take a look here. I create child 1 object, but I can access what? Calling. I can access this parent method. Why? Because this child 1 is the child of parent class. Now take a look here. For example, child 2 we have here. For example, here. Now if I want to access this calling method, I can also access. In if I want to access x, I can also access. For example, here I have public portion here. For example, in here int y, for example, and y is equal to what? Y is equal to, for example, 20. Now x is 10, y is 20. Now I want to total this one, and total is equal to x plus y. X plus simply y. Take a look, x plus y, and simple. After that void what? Method 2, simple. And method 2 see out me what? Total. I don't want any message. Total print me. After that endl. Now take a look here, my dears. Where is x? X is in parent class. It means from child 2 I can access parent data, which is x, and y is here in child 1, right? Child 2. Now if I want to create the object of what? The object of child underscore 2, I mean this class child 2 in obj1 child 2. Simply child 2 obj1, and after that obj1 dot what? Obj1 dot method 2. I can also access method 1, because method 1 is in what? Parent class, and I can access parent class because it's the child of parent class. Simple. If I want to access method 2, simply I want to use method 2. Take a look. I can access method 2 now. Take a look. What will be the output? The output will be 30. Now where is 30? 30 is here. X is 10 in parent class and y is 20. Now this was multiple inheritance. Now if I comment off on this one and as well this one as well. Okay. Now take a look. Green child 1 is derived from child 1. In child 1 is derived from parent. Take a look here. Green child 1 is derived from child 1. In child 1 is derived from public that I read here. Green child 1 is derived from child 1, and child 1 is derived from parent. For example, here I have public portion, and simply here I have int z. Z is equal to what? 90. Now I want, for example, int total 2. For example, here int total 2 is equal to x plus y, x plus z. Now where is x? Where is x? X is in parent class. But how can I access? You can also access, because this child 1 is green child 1 is derived from child 1, and child 1 is derived from parent, and it means you can access. And z is here. Now if I want to print, simply void show method 3 this is, and after that simply is out, not is out, see out me what? See out me total 2. can I access total 2? Now if I want to create the object of what? The object of grandchild 1, right? Grandchild 1, I mean this one, simply grandchild 1. And after that grandchild 1 obj1, and after that obj1 dot method 3 I can access, and method 1 as well, because method 1 is in parent class. Method 3 can access. Now if I want to run, what will be the output? The output will be 100. Take a look, 100. Where is 100? Here. We have 90 here, and x from what? Method 1, not method 1, from parent class. As well, if I work on grandchild 2 as well, for example, here I have public portion, and simply I want to use int, for example, sum is equal to, not sum is equal to, for example, I have j is equal to, for example, 20, and after that I want to use int sum is equal to what? x plus j. What does it mean? It means that x, where is x? X is in child 2. Child 2, where is child 2? Child 2 is here. We have x here? No. We have parent class, and parent class we have x. Simple. You can also access here in child 2. You can also access as well here y. Why? Because y is here, not here. In child 2, yes, we have in child 2 what? Y. And now if I want void method 4, for example, I want method 4, and after that cout me what? Cout me sum. Now what will be the output? Tell me in comment section. What will be the output? The output will be, where is j? J is here, 20. Where is y? Y is in child 2, right? Child 2. 20 plus 20, the output will be what? 40. If I want to create grandchild into obj1, and after that what? After that method, which method? Method 4 I can access. Take a look. Method 1 I can access, which is in parent class. Method 2 which is in child 2, and method 4 which is itself in grandchild 2, right? If I want to run, what will be the output? The output will be 40. We got it. This is called hierarchical inheritance, my dears. Now this is a complex programming where you start your programming journey from here. We have parent class, we have child 1 class which is derived from parent class, and after that grandchild 1 from child 1 class. Take a look here. Now one thing more, for example, here I can access method 1 method. Where is method 1? Method 1 is in parent class, but I can access from grandchild 2. Take a look here, my dears. Take a look here. Method 1 from parent class, and after that x. Where is 10? 10 is where? 10 we have in x, and x is where? X is in parent. Now take a look here. From grand, here from this grandchild 2, I can access method 1, and method 1 is parent. Why? Because this grandchild 2 is derived from child 2, and child 2 is derived from parent. It means it took the data from this child 2, and child 2 will take the data from parent. Simply. This was all about, my dears, for this video. In this video we talk about hierarchical inheritance that we see in graphical representation as well, and real programming as well, right? This was all about for this video, my dears. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and share to your friends, and do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.